Positively Gilivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disuma from My Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so dito muna tayo. Kasalukuyan pa inaayos ang ating vlog room at home office. So pinag-isa na natin. Kasi ano na tayo nagle-level up. So, meron na kasi tayo mga meetings na parating. So, dito na natin ikakandak. Yung mga nagpapa-coach na malapit dito sa amin. So, dito na meron na tayong office. So, hindi na tayo mag-meet somewhere. Okay? So, give me 2 days bago ko ipakita ng buong buo sa inyo. So, dito muna tayo. Kalat-kalat pang ating paligid. Okay? But anyway, so, meron na naman tayo isang prinsipyo ngayon na binabali. Okay? One paradigm or one mindset na pilit ini-inculcate sa isipan natin na tingin ko ay it's not working. Alright? Madami ako actually, hindi naman sobrang dami, pero there are principles na sometimes when I'm alone, I'm reflecting, and I'm trying to absorb things like different principles. So, iniisip ko, nagwo-work ba? Nagwo-work ba sila talaga? Or opposite nung pinaniniwalaan natin? Okay? So, eto yung isa sa mga matagal kong pinaniniwalaan. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng boring life. Alright? Ng buhay na average life. Alright? So, if you want to live above average life o gusto mong maging successful, stop balancing your life. Ulitin natin, stop balancing your life. Di ba lagi natin sinasabi sa atin ng mga tao sa paligid natin, school, in our family, friends, and when we're reading books, okay? So, when we're reading books, ito mga books ko po, dami po. Yan, ayos natin. Plus yung nando. So, yan talaga. So, when we're reading books, ang daming nakasulat, ang daming sinasabi sa atin na you have to work to balance your life. So, sleep 8 hours a day, eat 3 times a day ba? Or 3 meals, or so maraming balance. You have a happy life, spend time with your friends, spend time with your family, spend time with your life, yourself, di ba? So, pag pinerfect mo yang sobrang perfect na yan, it will be an average life. I'm telling you. I'm 45, alright? For how many years, I was trying to balance my life. Ang naging goal ko tuloy, to balance my life. Ang naging goal ko is to, sleep 8 hours a day. Before, ang naging goal ko tuloy is to visit friends, to be with my family, to live a life na balanse. And that became my goal. So, nagtagumpay naman ako for how many years, especially when I was starting my teaching career. 7 years po ako sa public. So, binabalansi ko lahat. I make sure balance lahat ng bagay. And that's the start of my average life. And tonight, today, while you are watching my videos or this vlog, I'm telling you, you will just have an average life. Why? Alright? Why? Pero bago yung lahat ng yan, mag-announce muna tayo. Bakit hindi mo kailangan ng balanced life? Why it should not be your target? Okay? So, bago yan, mag-announce tayo sa ating mga Gilivers natin, sa lahat ng mga gusto magpa-coach. So, message mo lang ako and magpa-advertise ng kanilang business. If you want to start your own overrun business, so message mo ako sa aking number 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page Dr. Gigi Sunga or FB account Gigi Sunga, okay? And if you want to advertise your business, yan, kontakin mo lang ako, alright? Or anything na may tutulong ko sa'yo, how to have an above average life, how to become wealthy, I am your wealth coach, alright? Okay, runa ko lang yan para, before you skip the video. But please don't stop the video, okay? Huwag mo na patayin. Ito yung reason natin. Bakit nga ba hindi mo kailangan balansin ang buhay mo, okay? Huwag ka nang magpakapagod kakabalansin ang buhay mo. Kasi nga, magkakaroon ka ng average life. Number 1, if you will be balancing your life, you will get, okay, the same results every day. The same results. Kasi everyday, the same time ka gumigising, okay? The same people ang kinakausap mo, the same time ka umuwi, the same time ka, the same number of hours ka natutulog. So what do you expect? Every day. Yan ang ginagawa mo. So, ang result, you will get the same result every day. Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, di ba? If you are doing the same thing every day for the next 5 years, you will have the same life. Kung everyday yan ang ginagawa mo, yan ang routine mo, yan balanse mo yung oras ng tulog mo, you will have the same result. You know, when I started not balancing my life, okay, like the number of hours of sleeping, sabi nila 8 hours. 8 hours, wala akong magagawa na 8 hours. So I started waking up. Di ba, normal na gising natin, alas 6, di ba? Ako, I wake up at 4:30. It's not balanced. Di ba sinasabi nila, nagpuyat ka na kagabi, gigising ka pa ng maaga. Like ngayon, ang dami nagagalit sa akin. Gigising ka na ng gabi ka na natutulog, gigising ka maaga, nagagalit ng assistant ko, nagagalit ng nurse ko, nagagalit si doc, nagagalit ang tao sa paligid ko. But what will I do? Okay? What will I do? What will I do? Sinubukan ko na i-balance ang lahat, pero wala namang nangyari. Di ba? I got the same result. When I started waking up early, I was able to write my book, How to Embrace Transformation. When I was able to leave my friends behind muna for the meantime, kinalimutan ko muna talaga yung social life ko for a year. So, hindi muna tayo nagdadalaw sa mga kaibigan natin. Hindi muna tayo nagdadalaw sa mga screen invitations. So, doon ako nakapag-vlog. Doon ako nakagawa ng marami. Doon ako naging mas productive as far as my personal success is concerned. Alright? So, yun yung una. If the time that I tried to balance things, I tried to balance my life. Alright? So, that's the time that I get the same results. My life did not change. Hindi na bago walang nabago I was able to be promoted, wala namang nabago. I was able to finish my PhD. So, but I'm still balancing my life, wala rin naman nabago, di ba? So, if you are trying to balance your life, okay, you will have the same result. And second, alright? Second, why you should not balance your life? Because if you will try to balance your life every day, you will miss big opportunities. You will miss the big waves in your life. You will miss the big breaks in your life. Kasi binabalansi mo yung opportunity mo pala, panggabi siya. Ayaw mong napupuyat. Yung opportunity mo pala, pang Saturday, gusto mo pag Saturday, balanse, nagre-relax ka ng Sabado. Diba? You're working from Monday to Friday. Ang Saturday mo, nilalaan mo sa recreational activities. Nagpupunta ka sa tennis court. So, hindi ko naman sinasabing huwag mong gawin lahat yan. But there are points in your life, there will be times in your life, okay, na kailangan mo munang i-disrupt ang cycle, i-disrupt ang, i-disrupt yung balancing. Di ba? So, when I started, okay, working every Saturday, that's when I got different opportunities. Nung ginagawa kong pag Sabado, nagpapahinga ako, nasa garden, nagtatanim ng gulay. I can't imagine that. My God, I thought that's the end of my life na mabubuhay na ako ng nasa garden, nagtatanim, diba? Tapos sa hapon, alas 4, magkakape doon sa bukid. So, akala ko yun na, kasi sabi nila, balance your life Nagtrabaho ako ng Monday hanggang Friday. So, Saturday, relax. Sunday, church. So, diba, napakaganda ng buhay? Napaka-smooth. Pero what do you get? What do you get? You're missing opportunities. Diba? But when I started living that very comfortable life, kasi ang balancing buhay, komportable yan Komportable talaga. Imagine mo, nasa bahay ka lang. Sabi nga nung isang pastor, mga 3 years ago, 4 years ago, sabi niya, alam mo yung normal na buhay, sa Sunday after church, manonood ka na. Kasi noon, palabas pa ni Chris tsaka ni Boy Abunda, parang hapon, I don't know what year is that. So, nanonood ka ng Chris Aquino, Di ba? So, or any movie, nanonood ka, tapos hapon mag-merienda ka with your family. That's balancing ang buhay mo. But the question is, nababago ba ang buhay mo with that? Di ba? May nabago ba? Ulitin ko ulit, for how many years I was trying to balance my life. But I missed different opportunities. Because yung opportunity ko pala, yung gabi, mag-extend ako ng 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Yes, I'm tired. Like now, I'm tired. Pero ngayon lang to, Delivers, I was just trying to build and to take advantage of the opportunity na meron ako ngayon. Okay? So, this will not last for long. Okay? This will not last for long. Kasi, meron lang akong gustong establish. Okay? So, sinasabi ko, even for the meantime, for a year, 2 years, i-distract mo muna yung balancing na yan so that makita mo yung opportunity. Baka kasi may opportunity pagka iniwan mo muna sandali yung saya sa bahay. You know, sometimes, may mga pagkakataon po na I have to attend to my coaching. Merong kapalit eh. Like ngayon, ay yung TV namin. Pangarap ko dati magkaroon kami malaking TV. So that's, I think, 49 inches ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung ilang inches. Diba? So, yung balancing buhay na sinasabi na manood ka ng TV. Tonight is 9 p.m. Pero nung lagi ako nanonood ng TV, wala akong opportunities eh. Diba? But when I started vlogging after work, so 7, like kanina nag-coach ako. Hello Albert, salamat kanina from Laguna siya. Nag-usap ko yun ng 1 hour, 7 to 8. Then 8 to 9 ngayon. Siguro hanggang 10 p.m. tayo. Then, magre-relax na rin naman ako ng 10 p.m. So, if you think it's not balanced, but for me, it's okay. If it's not balanced, if you call it not balanced, I call it success. I call it success. Okay? So, marami pang dahilan, marami pang reason ba't hindi mo kailangan i-balance ang buhay mo. So, una-una, you'll get the same result. Second, you'll miss different opportunities when you try to balance life. When you try to divide your time equally. It will not be equally divided. Hindi mo siya ma-divide na equally. Pag dinivide mo siya equally, you will have equal results. Diba? Kailangan talaga meron kang isang i-disrupt na routine mo eh. Like me, I'm extending time. I'm waking up early. So, if people thinks that it's not balanced in terms of rest, it's okay. It's okay kasi, nag-try naman akong mag-imbalance ang rest ko eh. Natulog akong 8 hours a day. 9 hours a day. But what happened to me? Wala. I was stuck. Yung opportunities, I miss all the opportunities. Hindi ko na-explode ang skills ko. Hindi ko nagawa yung gusto kong gawin. Okay? So, Delivers, if tonight, nandun ka rin, na-trap ka rin dyan sa principle na yan, try to balance things, mag-isip ka muna. Pag-isipan mo, ilang taon mo nang binabalance ang buhay mo? Di ba? Pati nga pera mo, binabalansin mo eh. Mabigyan mo si equally, lahat, bigyan mo, di ba? Eh, what happened? Anong natitira sa'yo? Wala. May savings ka ba? May investment ka ba? May naipon ka ba for your future? Wala. With your desire to balance things, dapat lahat mabigyan. Lahat ng kamag-anak mo mabigyan. Di ba? You are violating the, yung na-share ko sa inyo, yung 2 lives lesson, na sabi ni Lord, you enjoy it first, the fruit of your labor. Ikaw unang dapat mag-enjoy niyan. But you were trying to balance, you were trying to please everyone. Lahat ng mangutang sa'yo, binibigyan mo. Lahat ng mangingi sa'yo, binibigyan mo. And in the end, finish contract ka na dyan, OFW, wala kang pera. Diba? Sinasabihan ako ng aso, pasensya na po kayo ha. So, Delivers, stop balancing your life. Okay? Stop balancing your life. Live the average life. Okay? Live a life above average. Get better results. Get bigger opportunities. Alright? So, please share this video sa lahat mga kaibigan mo na naniniwala hanggang ngayon na kailangan balansin ang buhay niya. Okay? Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go.